Trachoma is a chronic keratoconjunctivitis caused by infections with Chlamydia trachomatis, which is now largely confined to the tropics, where poor social conditions make the transmission easier and poverty reduces the access to healthcare. The symptoms usually develop between 3 to 10 days after the infection, with lacrimation, mucopurulent discharge, conjunctival infection, and follicular hypertrophy. The doctors can diagnose trachoma through a physical examination or by sending a sample of bacteria from eyes to the laboratory for testing. But lab tests are not always available in places where trachoma is common. The treatment is usually with oral macrolides such as azithromycin. An international campaign plan to eradicate trachoma is underway using the SAFE strategy. The S over here stands for surgery for the interned lids. A stands for antibiotics. F stands for face washing. And E stands for the environmental improvement.